Today, I'm going to teach you how to generate keys from WooCommerce. If you're looking to integrate third-party apps or services with your WooCommerce store, generating API keys is an essential step that allows secure communication between different platforms. Let's walk through this process step by step. First, open a browser and head to wordpress.com. Once you're there, log into your account if you haven't already. Make sure you're using the credentials associated with your WooCommerce store to ensure you have the proper access rights. After logging in, look at the left navigation menu where you'll find various options for managing your WordPress site. Click on WooCommerce and this will expand to show you several additional options related to your store management. From the expanded menu that appears, go ahead and click on Settings. This is where you'll access all the core configuration options for your WooCommerce store. Once you're on the settings page, look at the top part of your screen. You'll notice several tabs displayed horizontally. From these tabs, click on Advanced. This section contains more technical settings for your store. Within the Advanced section, you'll see a tab labeled REST API. Click on it, and you'll be presented with a list showing all the API keys you currently have under your WooCommerce account. This is your central hub for managing API access. To create a new key, simply click on the Add Key button. You'll be directed to the key creation page where you can configure the specifics of your new API key. Start by entering a description in the field provided. This description should be clear and specific, helping you identify what this key will be used for later. For example, you might write something like mobile app integration or inventory management tool. Next, select the user for this API key from the drop-down menu. This determines which WordPress user account the API key will be associated with, affecting the permissions and access level it will have. Then, set the permission level. You can choose read, write, or read/write depending on what level of access you want to grant. Read allows viewing data only, write allows modifying data, and read/write grants both capabilities. Once you've configured all these settings, click on Generate API Key. After clicking Generate, you'll be presented with a consumer key and a consumer secret, along with a QR code for this API key. These credentials are crucial, so make sure to copy and store them securely immediately. You won't be able to view the consumer secret again once you leave this page, so save it in a secure password manager or document right away. These keys will be used by your third-party applications to authenticate and communicate with your WooCommerce store. And that's it. You've successfully generated API keys from WooCommerce, enabling you to connect external services securely to your store. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.